Chevy. I'm ripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, man, we out here at box 7. Got a package. Let's get into it. So this next soiree video, whatever, we got a package that we ordered. I guess I'll go ahead and give you a tip, sneak peek, whatever that it is. As you can see, my damn dome light is just hanging. Try to tape it over some electrical tape. That was no good. Talking about a car show. That's anyway. Shit in here. Anyway, this little house in here is missing some shit, so I cannot put it up there the way it need to be. So it's just hanging. So reached out to the eBay guards. I said, eBay guards, what you got for me? What you got for me, eBay guards? This is what I got, what I ordered. Wait a second. Alright, so as you can see here, this is what the plug looks like. Or this is what the housing looks like, or it's supposed to look like. The only thing that this one is missing is just a little clip off of that end that I have there. Other than that, the other side is how it's supposed to be. So basically what we're gonna have to do, real simple, real easy. I ain't even gonna need a tripod for this one. Let's see, I gotta unplug. Hold on, y'all. Maybe I will need it. I'm gonna just have to unplug this from here and then plug that into here, and then push that up in there, and be good to go. Oh yeah, before I do all that, change out, make sure I change out my light bulb. I don't think it came with a light bulb. Let me see. It came with a light bulb? I don't think it did. Oh yeah, it came with a light bulb, but you know we're gonna keep the LED joint that we had in there. So take the LED. Matter of fact, I can use this same little housing, honestly. And take it out the plug, put it in there, twist that, and then I'm gonna get this unplugged from here without fucking it up. Give me a sec. Alright, so as you can see, all the way up, just like that. Let's see. If you can see now, it is up, it is on, it is mounted. We're good to go. Now I just gotta adjust that little hanging shit back there, which shouldn't be difficult. I just need to put some more adhesive glue on there. But my sagging light problem is solved for like 20 bucks. Shout out to eBay. What's hot as shit in here? Yeah, hot as shit. Alright, let's see what else we finna do to this thing today. Or what else we gonna do, period. But LED light, all the way lit. All the way lit. I don't think it really works to its full potential just because of the fact that there's no reflective stuff in there. It's just one light. So I don't know, maybe there'd be something to look to in the future, to maybe put some foil or something behind it so it'll actually reflect all the light down. I don't know. I just be thinking and shit sometimes, so yeah, Yeah, it is hot as hell out here though. Summer or spring is coming. Spring is coming and then summer's coming right behind that bitch.